Hey nail peeps, welcome back to Sherry's Nail Corner. I have a neat DIY that will help you plan your stamped manis. So come hang with me in my favorite little corner of the world and let's get started. To make these fun DIY stamping accessories, we're going to need a few stamping items. So I've got a stamping plate over here, a stamper, a scraper card, something to clean your plates off with. So I've got cotton attached to just a binder clip. That way when I clean off my plates, my nails don't need to touch the acetone. I've got some polishes and I'm using black and white. Some extra cotton pads or cotton balls, some acetone, and the most important thing are these self-laminating sheets. And these are from the Dollar Tree, so they're $1 for 3 of them. It says you can use them for photos, business cards, recipe cards, and more. And the more is this cool stamping accessory. So you place the card or the photo underneath it, you peel off the part that's the card, and then you scrape it closed. So let's open these up and let me show you. So here's what it looks like, and you get 3 of them. So this part's not sticky yet, and that's the part we're going to stamp on. The part that is sticky is stuck underneath this card piece. So let me move everything out of the way and get all set up, and I'll show you guys what's next. Alright, so I also want to point out all the different plates that I have do fit in this. So I made just a little pattern thing to remind me. So 1 plate of a clear jelly stamper or Uber Chic will fit in one. You could do 4 of the smaller plates like clear jelly or Born Pretty. They just have to be pretty close together. Or you could do Maniology, Moyu London, all the other small ones that are about this size. You could do 2 of those horizontally. And here's just a little template that I made so that my images could be centered. So I've got the outline of the full card, and then underneath I centered one of the larger plates that I have, so that way when I'm stamping, all of my images will be in between this border and it would be centered in here. So next what you'll do is you're going to flip it over so you see the white part, and then you're going to flip it up. And this part under here that's unsealing, that is sticky, so you want to make sure that you don't get anything on that. I've got 2 dogs, so I've got to be really careful that I'm not closing dog hair into this. So I'm just going to fold and bend mine a little bit so that way the sticker will still stay. And then I'm going to line it up with the outline I did of the full laminating card. And then for this next part, you could use washi tape or masking tape. And I'm going to use this washi tape and tape it down on top of my pattern. Okay, so you'll just line that up and tape it down. Next is the fun part. You just stamp your images onto the part of the plate that's not sticky. Another tip, if you can't see what you're working behind, you can slide an index card or something else, another piece of paper behind here. That way you can line up the very top of your stamp with the top of the card. Okay, so once you've got all the images that you want on that particular card, you're going to take all your tape back up. And so since it's laminating, you'll just need something to push along it with. So I'm going to use another scraper card. you'll carefully peel this off. Hold down where you folded it. Just peel a little bit. Then you'll come on the opposite side and start sealing it down. So I'm kind of folding this up and pulling it away at the same time that I'm rolling this down. I have a feeling that you kind of like what you see in this video. Why don't you let me know by hitting the thumbs up there? And while you're at it, you can hit the subscribe button and that little bell, and you won't miss any of the fun. And this other little part is another piece. You can leave it in there if you want because it's kind of a pain to get out. But if you just peel back a little corner, you can undo it. So that's how you make it, and you'll be able to place this over your nail and kind of see if that stamp fits or how you want to turn it onto your nail and see where you want it. And here's a picture of it over darker as well. Let's see if I can get closer. So these are super cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And thanks for hanging out on my nail corner today. I can't wait to use these some more because you can try the stamps without having to try them on your fingers. And also, it's almost like swatching new colors. You get to swatch a new plate and just think about what you want to do with it. Make sure that you hit the bell, like, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any cool stuff that I do over in my nail corner. And thanks for hanging out. Bye, guys.